Moving to the next part of the project, checking for the missing and duplicate values in our dataset. First of all, we will have a look at our dataset again using the head function. When I run this, it shows top 5 records. In any case, if we want to show only top 2 records, then we can enter 2 here. Then it will show only top 2 records and all the column names will also there. Now we have a function called isNA. This isNA function is used to get the count of all missing values in any column, or you can say in every column. And the syntax will be our data frame name dot isNA function dot sum function. When I run this, then it will show all column names, all 21 column names are here, and the count of, or you can say the sum of all null values present in these columns. As there are no null values present in our data set, so it is showing 0 for all columns. In case if there is any null value in any column, then it will show the count here. Okay. We have an alternate function also to check the count of missing or null values in the columns, and the function is isNull function, and the syntax will be our data frame name dot isNull function dot sum. When I run this, it will show the output like this, all 21 columns and the count of missing values in every column. Here if you see, this output and this output is same. Next, we have the not null function. The not null function is used to get the count of not null values in the columns. Our data frame name dot not null function dot sum. This is a simple syntax. When I run this, it will show all the columns with their counts of non-null values. As there is no missing values in our data frame, so it is showing 3333 for each column, means there is no missing value in any column. Now for this function, there is also an alternate function to check the count of non-null values, and the function is not NA. The syntax will be somehow same, data frame name dot not NA function, and then we have to use the sum function to get the sum. When I run this, it will show the same output as we got in the above function. So there are two functions to get the count of non-null values. First one is not null function and second one is not NA function. And similarly, there are two functions to show the count of missing values or null values in each column. First is isNA function and second one is isNull function. Okay, now we will talk about the duplicate values in our data frame. To show the duplicate records or duplicate rows from our data frame, we use a function known as duplicated. The syntax will be our data frame name dot duplicated, and the function, around this function we have to put the square brackets in the starting, also at the end, and in the starting we have to again pass our data frame name data here to get the correct desired output. When I run this, it is showing 0 rows. It means there is no duplicate rows or no duplicate records in our data frame. In case if there were any duplicate records, then it will show the duplicate records here with the counts of rows. These are the comments for your reference purpose. And to know more about duplicate records and how to find and how to deal with duplicate values, you can watch our video uploaded on this channel. Now, in any case, if there were duplicate records, then there is a function to drop the duplicate records, and the function is drop underscore duplicates function. How to use this function? We have to write our data frame name and use drop underscore duplicates function. Okay, when I will run this, then the duplicate records of our data frame will be removed and we will save our output in our original data frame, which is data and equal to. Okay, so this syntax We'll remove all the duplicate records from our data frame or any data frame and save the output after removing the duplicate records in our original data. And then we can have a final look at our data frame. Data like this. After removing all the duplicates and after checking the all missing and null values.